Hello, brave art students. Welcome back, sort of, um, to now we're doing online learning, and I just want to say hi to everybody. I wish that I could see you in person. I miss seeing all of you and really having a regular art class. But we're going to keep making art, and we're going to do the best that we can over the next couple of weeks to have a remote art class. And I just want to talk a little bit about art supplies and expectations and how our class might work going forward. I know all of you have a lot of different kinds of supplies at home. I don't know if some of you have a lot, and you're very lucky if you do. Some of you may have very few things at home, and I don't want you to be worried that you won't be able to participate or things won't go well because you don't have a lot of art supplies. We're going to use a lot of recyclables, and in all of the lessons that I'm going to put together, I'm going to try to be figuring out ways for you to use things that you might have normally around your house. So I hope you're not going to stress or worry about that. The other thing I wanted to say was for this week's lesson, this is week 1, for this week's lesson, which is hats on for everyone, I would like everybody to try this lesson, and for the most important reason, to see that we're all in contact. I know that you're out there and you're communicating with me via Google Classroom, and that you're able to get into Google Classroom, find the assignments, find the directions, and be able to eventually upload images to Google Classroom. For this first lesson, hats on, or for this first project, I'm asking students to email me photos of their final image, and I'll put together a folder for us that we can share. But I am trying to learn how we can have an easier way to upload images of artwork right through Google Classroom. So when that's all together, that will be our usual way of doing it. But for now, I'm asking that you, by next Friday, email me the image of this Hats On project, okay, which is basically to create a hat, like a crazy hat. It's a little bit like Crazy Hat Day, using 3 different materials that you have at home. Be as creative as you can. I'd like you to use the Studio Habit of Mind Stretch and Explore. Remember that one where you just try new things and you experiment? We're going to be doing a lot of that. So that will be it for this first project.